Okay, it's recording.
Hola, ¿cómo estás?
So, we're here today to talk about a very important topic. Jamie Lynn Spears.
Pregnant.
Teen pregnancy. We don't have that... we don't have that cool little dummy that they use on Ted Lasso and the other old guy who looks like Santa. But...
Look like Santa.
That's
Okay, a little bit.
Yeah.
A drunk Santa.
He's got the rosy cheeks. We just like to tell you that she's only human!
Leave Jamie alone.